Welcome back to Fair Software, guys. Today we're featuring something new for 2019. Number 237 out of 250. Factory fresh, 4 out of 10. Just as I promised, I'll be doing one of the cars. So here you go. Range Rover Velar. The designer of this Hot Wheel was Dmitry Shakhmatov. This is new for 2019. Came out so far only one color, but there's another color coming out as white and black roof, just like this one. It has silver, as you see, metals flake silver with the black roof, and nice pretty plastic clear, so you can see the interior. Let's take a look at this. So anyways, here you go. Range Rover Velar, just as I promised, I'm going to do a review. Highly detailed cutting edge design. Just get in the driver's seat and prepare to turn heads. Yeah, pretty nice looking ones. So yeah, the designer was Dmitry Shakhmatov. The real car, the designer of the real car was Gary Govern. Here's a picture of him. Anyways, the Range Rover Velar was used in pre-production in 1969. So here you go. They decided, I guess, doing the pre-production. Instead of that, they decided to do production of this. Pretty nice attention to details. What else I was going to say? The real car came out in 2017 with a base price of $50,000. 180 horsepower to 360, depends what options you have. Gas mileage 26-30, so not bad. As you see, pretty nice. Let's look at this again. Go back to Hot Wheels. Pretty nice attention to details. The grille, the headlight, the Range Rover logo, license plate. Pretty nice 10-spoke wheel, which gives it that good look. It does look nice. I could imagine having a real car like that floating in. So, two-tone color, gray interior, white, black rooftop. Sorry, air intakes, flush. Handles, door handles, mirrors, gas tank. Sorry, I didn't look too much details as you see. It is a left-hand drive, so not too much details. As I said, let's look in the back. Hot Wheel logo, gotta have that Land Rover logo. Velar. Land Rover saying, spoiler, antenna. So anyways, here you go, guys. Let's put on my spin wheel and take a look at it. Almost ran away from me. So, wouldn't you love to have one of these at home for real life? I probably would. But I can't afford now. Maybe later. So, well, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment down below, and maybe tomorrow or so I'm going to do the Aston Martin Vulcan review, which I'm going to post the link down below. But meanwhile, one other thing I want to say, we're entering into SUV world where a lot of even high exotic cars and high-end cars are becoming more popular of having SUVs, just like they had in 2017, Lamborghini Urus, Bentley Bentayga, Rolls-Royce Cullinan, Maserati Levante, Alfa Romeo Stelvio. Ferrari is thinking about having a SUV. I know Genesis, they had, last year they came out with G70. They only have, basically it's a Hyundai car that it made its own company, but they were promising that they're going to do a Genesis SUV in 2020, plus all the Audi like eight models. BMW have a lot of models coming out, and Mercedes. With that saying done, I think Hot Wheels should have a special feature, a special team. Instead of factory fresh, have SUV fresh or something. SUV cars. And because I already named like 10 different company brands that have SUVs. So I think they should have that little brand for the SUV models by next year. Who knows? Maybe they'll be watching my video and say, hey, that's a good idea. But meanwhile, please like, subscribe, comment down below. Tell me what you like, what you don't like. Maybe tell me how fast will it go down the stairs when I put it in my speed track. Do a speed test on it. So I'll do a whole bunch of other videos with it. Like I said, there's going to be a lot. Maybe I'll collect a couple other SUVs and do the elimination and some other racetracks on them. But meanwhile, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.